hit the top of the line, and it's come back in, and now we've got a middle area that is now.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome to Bull and Bear Hunters. Today we are looking at the Palladium chart. This is the monthly view, and this is the daily view, and we're now looking at the hourly view. And then we'll go on to a shorter term view. I'd like to look at the 10 minutes. And now we're back to the monthly view. So we'd like to see what patterns and views and lines we can draw in to see the long-term view of Palladium, and then we'll go into the shorter-term view of Palladium. So we have a lower trend line, which has been honoured, if that's a word to use on charts. So you can see where Palladium has gone up to 3,000 and it's come back in, and it's built support on the bottom baseline, forming the support, and now bouncing up towards the 2,000. So we've put a couple of lines in there just to give us a guide as to what might happen next, or the direction the Palladium market could be heading. So let's put another line just here, just to have a resistance. Okay, so we've got the resistance in there. So let's put another support. Let me get my drawing tool. Just as it breaks that 1,000 and it starts to rise back up. So there we go. I think what we can probably do is do a channel. We've got a channel in there. So that channel gives us an idea of the bottom and the top of that channel, so we can sort of keep an eye on it, and as long as the chart stays within that channel, it gives us an idea what's bottom, what's top, but where could it be potentially heading if it breaks that top channel. So let's see if we can find ourselves some sort of support and potential resistance if we pull it on the channel side. So this area here we're going to put in. Let's get the drawing tool out. So just around here, I think. Yeah, there you go. So just here. We've got a lot of resistance, and it's the same area that it's come to the top of that channel. You can see where it's hit the top of the channel and it's come straight back down. So now let's go a little bit closer and see if we can find ourselves the daily chart. So on the daily, the lines again are still in place, so we know where the resistance are going to be on the channel that we've created. We can see the chart has backed away from the top of the channel, and it's dropped just below the 1,400 area. So let's try and establish a top which is just below the 2,000 100 area. We'll just draw a support on the channel. We can see the line of support. You can see where the chart has gone up, hit the top of the line, and it's come back in, and now we've got a middle area that is now being supported. Okay, so what we'll now do is yet another tool. Let me see if I can find an area of support. So just around here. So just here, you can see that's the top of the channel. It's gone above it, hit the top, come back to the middle, bounced off it, and you can see it's gone up and it's come back in. So I think that should give us an idea that 1,400 area should be a good support area for Palladium moving forward. If it violates it and breaks it, then we know we've got a lower trend, which is 1,300 area. Should give us some solid support as well. Okay, so now we've gone a little bit closer. There's another channel that we can see here. Just on the closer view, just keep an eye on that. So as long as the Palladium chart stays within this smaller channel that was drawn in, then we should hopefully be heading towards that 1,800 to potentially 2,000 area. However, if it does violate it and goes down, then we have a lower target of 1,300. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep drawing some lines and resistance supports, and let's see where it takes us. But for now, I think I'm happy with what I'm seeing, and we can go from there. Let's look at the bigger view again. If we can see here, I think it all looks quite good. So we know we've got that 1,300 area as the support downwards. And yeah, so I think what we'll do is maybe we'll put some numbers in here so that we have a clear target to work with. So the first target I'm going to put is 1,550, which is the top of this channel. Okay, there we go. So we'll put a second target in, which is the lower part of this channel. So if it goes down, the down target will be 1,450 to 1,430. Let's go ahead and put 1,430 in there. Okay. That's it. And then we should also put the lower target in. So around this area here. Let me get my note here. So just around the 1,300. We'll have a lower target as well. Let's just write that in. 1,300. establish that. Then we should put the top target in. So if it breaks out and heads towards the top, I think our initial first target will probably be that middle line of the channel. So it's roughly about 1,800. So let's go ahead and put that in. There we go. So we have established short-term targets. So we've got the 1,550, 1,430, and 1,800 if it goes to the top, and 1,300 if it goes to the bottom of the channel. But potentially it could go up to that 2,000, which is the very top of the bigger term channel that we're looking at right now, or longer term channel. And I suspect if everything goes according to the lines that we are looking at on here, we should end up at the top area of the channel. That concludes the weekly chart for Palladium. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe, comments below. Thank you. Speak soon.